How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to install, use, and integrate the app or plugin for Shopify being Dropshipman. So I'll be talking about its key features, its pros and cons, as well as its fundamentals, so you guys can take your Shopify store level game to the next level. So with all of that said, let's begin. So right before I get into the topic, I just want to give you guys a quick overview on what exactly Dropshipman is. So this will give you guys a better insight on what it's used for and how you can use it to actually turn clicks and redirects into conversions. So what that means is more money coming in. So Dropshipman is not just another platform for dropshipping, because we already have a lot of those. What it is at its core is a comprehensive solution designed to simplify the entire dropshipping process. So this is to say that it's actually very easy to use and is intuitive. So the cool thing about it and what sets Dropshipman apart from other dropshipping services is that it's actually built for Shopify. So the whole process for this is that you integrate it into your Shopify store, and with Dropshipman, you guys can seamlessly source products, manage orders, and track shipments all from one centralized hub and dashboard. So an example scenario would go, imagine this. You guys have a Shopify store selling electronics, and you want to expand your product offerings without investing in inventory upfront. So with Dropshipman, you can easily browse through a vast catalog of products from trusted suppliers all around the world. And from here, you can select the ones that align with your brand or your store and add them to your store with just a few clicks. So if you're worried about something like order fulfillment or inventory management, you shouldn't worry with Dropshipman. And the reason for that is because Dropshipman integrates seamlessly with Shopify. So this allows you guys to sync your product catalog, process orders, and track shipments in real time. So you can say goodbye to the headache of manual ordering processing and hello to the convenience of automated dropshipping. So let's actually take a second to talk about Dropshipman's product selection. So if you guys are looking to sell in different categories, Dropshipman actually has access to a lot of suppliers with a wide variety of categories. So whether you guys are selling fashion, beauty products, home goods, or electronics, Dropshipman offers a vast selection of high-quality products from reputable suppliers. So with Dropshipman, you can curate a diverse product catalog that caters to your target audience's needs and preferences. So it goes without saying that Dropshipman is a game changer for online stores. It offers a wide range of products to your customers without the worry of inventory or fulfillment logistics. The integration with Shopify is so seamless that the quality of the products from Dropshipman's suppliers is top-notch. So what this means is that it's actually going to boost your sales, as it actually cuts the time that it takes to actually integrate products into your Shopify store if you were to use a conventional dropshipping app. So whether you guys are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Dropshipman will definitely scale with your business as it grows. So with all that out of the way, let's actually talk about how we can get to install Dropshipman over to our Shopify store. So the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Shopify store as an administrator. So this is what the dashboard looks like, and the URL goes admin.shopify.com. So once you guys are here, there are actually two ways to access the Shopify App Store, and that's by clicking on the search bar right here, or clicking on apps like so, and clicking on apps and sales channel. Now this is the easy way to do it, by just clicking on the search bar and just typing Dropshipman and search in Shopify App Store, or it's actually this one right here, or you can do apps and sales channel, and this will redirect you to this page where you can manage and configure all of your installed applications. So here I have Gem Pages Builder, Print on Demand, Gelato, or Printify, whatever. So from here, you want to click on Shopify App Store, like so, and it'll redirect you to their store page. And if you don't see Dropshipman right away, you guys can click on the search bar again and just type down Dropshipman. So we're going to wait for it to load, and here it is. So it's this one right here. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to take us to their store page. So the weird thing about Shopify apps is that a lot of them come with free plans, but most of the time they also come with paid plans. And it goes without saying that Dropshipman is one of those too. Also, with the paid plans, you get it goes without saying that you get access to more features and flexibility when it comes to operating the application. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go with the free plan. So we're going to click on install like so. So reading from the free plan, you can there are 3 sourcing requests per day, DSM product imports, unlimited order for fulfillments, and 24/7 support. So Dropshipman's main sourcing supplier would be from China. As we all know, a lot of things around the world are made in China, so Dropshipman has you covered. So here we're going to authorize it and basically let Shopify work its magic to install Dropshipman onto our website, or I should say our store. So let's actually just wait for it. And most of the time, a lot of these tools will require you to sign up from your website, but in this case, it looks like Dropshipman doesn't need any of that. So it's going to take you instead through this whole setup process, where you just have to answer a bunch of questions so you can fine tailor how you want your dashboard to look. So here it is. Let's just answer it about Dropshipman. Okay, so we're not going to watch that. I'm just going to click on dismiss. Oh, it's my bad. Let's go back. And let's get started. We're going to click on the free subscription. Here we are. So from here, we're going to source. So here's what the sourcing page looks like. So you can find suppliers in China or around the world to actually add products to your Shopify store. Click on sourcing request, enter their website domain, the product type, destination country, and so on. List of products will be the ones that are already registered to your Shopify store. Find products will bring up a whole catalog of things that you want to add to your store. So here are a couple of examples. And yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.